Hey everyone, welcome to Coffee and Crafting. If you are new to my channel, my name is Lori, and I hope everyone is having a beautiful, blessed day. In today's video, I am sharing 3 of the cutest spring and Easter decor DIYs using Dollar Tree items. These are French country shabby chic projects that are easy to make and will charm any room. If you like DIY projects, thrift makeovers, and home decor on a budget, then I hope you will consider and subscribe to my channel to join my DIY family. So grab a coffee or your favorite drink and let's start. For this DIY, I have 3 packages of vinyl paper in different colors and wood bunnies from the Dollar Tree. I cut 1 piece of each of the colored vinyl and placed the vinyl on the bunnies. I used my cutting knife to cut around the bunnies, removing the excess vinyl. I sanded the vinyl on top of the bunnies to take away the shine using a sanding block. I used a piece of paper towel to rub antique wax from Waverly on the sides and stain the back on the bunnies for a finished look.
As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you.
I rubbed antique wax on the vinyl to give the bunnies a rustic, antique-ish look.
All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave you.
I have a galvanized flower and garden bucket from the Dollar Tree. I'll paint it with the ballet slipper chalk paint from Waverly.
Giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love.
I'm going to highlight the words flowers and garden on both sides of the bucket. I used a wet wipe to rub off the chalk paint before it dried.
Give me all your love. Give me love. Give me all your love. Give me all your love. Give me love. Give me all your love. Give me all.
I added 2 pieces of flora foam and some Spanish moss from the Dollar Tree inside the bucket.
Give me all your love.
I glued small sticks on the back of the bunnies and placed them inside the bucket in the flora foam.
Do you ever feel you don't get out what you're putting in? All your hopes and efforts are all in vain. Who will pick you up when you've lost everything? Does it all become for granted with a wedding ring? Oh, there must be more. There must be another way. There must be conscious, different things in different ways. There must be.
I used a variety of florals from the Dollar Tree to decorate the bucket. I added lavender, some greenery, a few small daisies, and lots of baby breath, and some more Spanish moss to fill in the empty spaces.
I was just a little girl when my mama used to say, ooh, happiness requires
Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. If you are new to my channel, my name is Lori and I want to say welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment to consider and click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're notified when I upload any new videos. And if you can give me thumbs up by clicking the like button, this really helps my channel to continue to grow and be recognized. And leave me a comment down below on which DIY you like the most, or just to say hello.
I give it all to you for too
I have a 6-pack of Easter eggs from the Dollar Tree. I'll place them inside the bucket around the flowers. And to finish this DIY, I took pieces of lace that matched the colors in the bucket. I tied them together in the center and folded the lace over and started to roll it into a circle to make a simple flower, adding a little glue to keep it together. I placed the lace flower in the bucket and glued a pearl in the center. The lace flower was a beautiful touch to this bucket. The colorful colors of spring are vibrant, and it's really exciting to know spring is around the corner. Lavender and daisies are my favorite during spring and summer. I grow these in my garden and I love picking them every year. I love how this bucket turned out. It was easy to make, and this Dollar Tree DIY is now a high-end shabby chic decor piece that will complement my table in the living room. For this DIY, I have a birdhouse that was in my crafting stash that I never finished. So I'm going to give it a fresh coat of paint with the ballet slipper chalk paint from Waverly.
'Cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride out the blue. I wanna do what you want to.
We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you. You save me too.
I'm going to dry brush the linen white paint from Rust-Oleum on the birdhouse using a chip brush. I have a package of embellishment flowers from the dollar store. I'm going to paint 2 with the ivory chalk paint from Waverly. I'll glue the flowers at the bottom of the birdhouse on the front. I have a package of butterflies from the dollar store. I'll glue 1 on the front of the birdhouse. I brushed the ballet slipper chalk paint on the flowers to highlight them. I have some pretty white lace ribbon from Amazon. I'm going to glue the lace around the edge of the roof. There was something missing with the birdhouse. The lace was a perfect touch to get to the shabby chic French country look that I'm going for. Let me know in the comments what you think. I did add a little moss to the opening on the front of the birdhouse, and I also decided to paint the flowers with the celery chalk paint from Waverly, and I dry brushed the white linen paint on top. The pink flowers blended in too much with the birdhouse, and the green gave it the pop it really needed to bring it all together. I glued the birdhouse on top of a candle holder that I had on hand, and I painted the candle holder with the linen white paint. And to finish this DIY, I cut some pieces of lace and ribbon to tie around the base of the candle holder, and I'll glue a pink lace flower on it. This sweet, adorable birdhouse is really stunning. I love the warm pinks and greens with that little touch of blue on the butterfly. It really came together perfectly. And I'm falling in love with the French country shabby chic style lately, and I hope I hit it on the dot with this birdhouse. I will be adding this beauty in my she shed for spring and summer this year. For this DIY, I'm going to paint a wood box from the Dollar Tree with the white linen paint.
In this dynamite castle, you will never be alone. Indigo sunset, it's the only way to go.
I have 2 pieces of cardboard fencing from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to paint both sides with the truffle chalk paint from Waverly.
You and me will be alright.
I'm going to glue the longer fence piece to the front of the box. I cut the other fence in half, and I'll glue the pieces over the handle openings.
We'll win in every war.
I have an Easter Bunny sign from the Dollar Tree, and I'll be using the bunny's side. I removed the bunny's tail and glued the wood box to the sign at the bottom. I cut 2 pom-poms from a pom-pom roll. I tied them together, then cut the strings off. I glued the pom-pom on the bunny for his tail. I'm going to fill the wood box with some natural aspen wood grass from Michael's. And I'll place 6 Easter eggs from the Dollar Tree inside the box. I made a simple bow with 2 ribbons and glued it at the top of the sign. After the project was done, I really didn't like the dark pink ribbon for this one. I swapped it out with a different bow with a lighter pink color ribbon and lace, which looked much better with the blue bunny. Let me know in the comments if you would have kept the dark pink or the new bow. And to finish this DIY, I'll add some spring flowers inside the box. This Easter bunny box was easy to make and is absolutely adorable. I think the new bow was a better choice for the bunny. This would look perfect for a little table or added to a wall or door. You could swap out the plastic eggs for chocolate eggs and bunnies for Easter, and then add flowers after to enjoy for spring and summer. I hope I've inspired you today with some new ideas for your spring and Easter decor this year. I want to say thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. So until then, have a beautiful day, and bye for now.
Look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I want